person gets over 10 million views on a monthly basis and makes up to $40,000 per month on YouTube. Meanwhile, this person here is getting 50 million views per month and making up to $200,000 every single month. Both of these examples are merely filming YouTube shorts with their phone, which, as many of you know, are videos no longer than a minute. And in this tutorial, I will show you what these people are doing to make this work. And not only will I show you how you can do the same, but thanks to this tool here, you won't even have to show your face on camera. So if this sounds interesting to you, then make sure you stick around to find out how to make this work. And with all that said, let's now finally get into this tutorial. Today, guys, I have a very good one to share with you. It's easy, it's beginner friendly, and there's a tool out there that will literally do all the work for you. So without further ado, here's the first channel I want to show you as an example. It's called Sebastian K22 Shorts. As the name of the channel says, this person uploads short videos on YouTube. And right off the bat, regardless of what your shorts are about, guys, the major benefit of uploading these videos is that they tend to get a lot of views, even if you're not a well-established channel. And this is evident in the fact that the first video Sebastian uploaded was no more than 1 year ago and got 200,000 views. So this just shows you that not only do these videos make this person money, unlike starting your normal YouTube channel, it doesn't take that long to grow your channel because, once again, these videos get big views regardless. As far as what types of videos you can find on here, you can see based off of these titles, they're creepy style videos. And these videos in this particular niche tend to get big numbers because a lot of people, and rightly so, find them fascinating and fun to watch. If I were to open up one video as an example, you'd see there's nothing complicated about it. He's just talking into his camera for about a minute or less sometimes, and then he just goes ahead and uploads this onto YouTube and it gets huge views. If you were to go over to Social Blade though, you'd see more info about the channel, such as how many views we're talking about here, and you'd see exactly what I told you about in the intro. This channel gets 10 million views on a monthly basis. This is what happens, guys, when you combine shorts videos, which typically get a ton of views with a very good and popular niche. And as a result of these numbers, according to Social Blade, he makes up to $40,000 per month by merely filming 1 minute long videos. How crazy is that? Now, what's worth noting about the amount of money made is that since the CPM for shorts videos is lower than your normal CPM, I'd say the amount of money probably sits at about $15,000 per month. But even still, that's a lot of money, especially in relation to the amount of work he's invested. It really doesn't take that much to film a 1 minute long video, and I'll show you exactly how you can make this work, where you can find the info about your new videos, and I will show you how you can make this work without even filming yourself. So stay tuned for that. The second channel I wanted to show you today is this one here called Jack Neal. And just based off of these thumbnails, you can already see that the videos are made in exactly the same way. But more importantly, if you take a look at some of the titles, you'd see that once again, this person uploads videos that are creepy and mysterious. And as I said, these get big views, which means that it's no surprise that this person has close to 2 million subscribers as of now. If you go over to Social Blade though, you'd see some crazy numbers. 50 million views in the past 30 days. And the estimated monthly earnings are up to $200,000 per month. Now, once again, the amount of money made is probably twice as low at $100,000 and probably a bit less than that as well. But that's still insane earning potential considering what this person is actually doing here. You don't need any fancy video editing. The videos are not long whatsoever, meaning that they're much easier to make. Yet, despite all that, these two examples are making a ton of money on a monthly basis, guys. And how can you replicate this? How can you make these types of videos? While you can most definitely make them in the same way, basically film yourself talking on camera, you don't necessarily have to do that actually. And while videos where you aren't showing your face won't get as many views, they will still get big views since YouTube Shorts in general are becoming more and more popular by the minute. The very first step you'd have to undertake, though, no matter how you go about creating your video, is some information. Both of these channels got their info from somewhere, and that place is more than likely Google. They just search for creepy stories, mysterious stories, stuff like that, and they get a ton of results. However, a much better way of acquiring information, I'd say, is through the use of this site here called listverse.com. On this website, you can find detailed articles about basically anything. More importantly than that, though, as you can see up here, they have bizarre, creepy, and mysterious niches, all of which will be your main ones to focus on. Apart from that, though, it's worth noting that since they have many other categories and niches you can choose from, you can get info for your shorts no matter if you're going to upload videos like those two guys or not. Anyways, what you now basically want to do is find some interesting article that you feel can get a lot of views if the videos go live, and basically do some quick reading to gain enough knowledge on the topic, after which you will be ready to create your new video. The first step you'd want to undertake is get a voiceover done, and while you can pay freelancers online for that, I highly recommend you just use Audacity for your voiceover. After all, you don't have to pay professionals for a voiceover that will literally last no more than a minute. So I highly recommend you just do the voice yourself with the knowledge that you've acquired over on listverse.com. With that done though, now that you have the voiceover, whether you've paid someone for it or not, you will want to head over to a website called invideo.io. This tool will literally allow you to create awesome shorts videos within literally 15 minutes. To get a big discount on this website, be sure you click on that first link in the description to sign up, or use my coupon code KASHINA25. What this platform is all about, guys, is summed up pretty well here. Create stunning videos easily. This is basically an online video editor that, in my opinion, is far better than any others I've come across. And you can see how their video editor looks on the right-hand side here, and it is indeed amazing. But they have a ton of awesome features that don't just involve a good-looking video editor. First thing I want to show you before I even go on about the website is that they have a free pricing plan. As you can see in the pricing section here, this is 100% free and will stay free. So this goes to show you that you don't actually have to invest money into this website if you don't want to. And this is very important. It allows you to basically create videos in the beginning free of charge. And later down the road, you can start paying the website once you've made some money to make even better videos and get access to more great features. The pricing plan I'd recommend the most is the business one. It's very cheap, but it also offers fantastic features as well. With that being said, guys, some other great features of this website are the 5,000 plus templates they have to offer you, just as it says here. And what's really cool about the platform too is that they will give you access to premium images and photos from the likes of Shutterstock.com and iStock without you having to pay either of those two platforms, both of which you've probably heard of before. And by using these photos and videos, you can make really amazing looking shorts videos with this website. Other great features that are worth mentioning too is the 24/7 online chat support that will help you if you get stuck, as well as a community of over 20,000 video editors and marketers from around the world that can help you out should you need it. As such, guys, I highly recommend you join their Facebook group, the link of which I'll leave in the description, and subscribe to their channel too for more info. Now, with all that said, once you sign up to the website free of charge, to now create your video, here's what you want to do. First, click on vertical here, since you want a shorts video. And then you'll go ahead and choose a template. And speaking of templates, what's really cool here too is that you can continue working on your unfinished videos from before. So basically, any template you start using to create your new video will be saved and ready for further editing when you do come back to the website. Anyways, once you choose your template, to open it up and go to their video editor, first click on it, and then use this template right here. And now comes the most important part of it all, actually creating the video. And here, the previously mentioned video editor, as well as videos and images from premium platforms, will really come in handy. You can type in stuff like creepy in the search bar here to find fantastic looking photos and videos you can use in your soon-to-be video. As you can see on the left-hand side, you can even add music to your new video as well to make it look that much more appealing, as well as text if you really need it. So what you now need to do is just create that new video. Keep in mind that you don't need it to be like super complicated or whatever. In fact, it can be pretty basic and still get a lot of views. Just add some nice music alongside images and photos and your voiceover and you're good to go. Then just go back to YouTube and upload it. And thanks to InVideo here, you won't have to bother with downloading a single software, and you won't have to look for footage yourself. It's all in this one single software, which is what really makes it handy. So once again, for a big discount, be sure you click on that link in the description and use my coupon code as well. If you enjoyed today's video and you got some value out of it, then support me and this channel by leaving a like down below. And in case you're interested in more ways you can get paid online, don't forget to check out the 2 videos that'll pop up in a moment. Since new videos are being uploaded on here literally daily, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of the new videos. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you in some of the upcoming videos.